Hey everyone, welcome back to the live series day 3 for Canva tutorial for beginners. And what's up creators? Welcome to today's live on bringing animations to life in Canva. We are going to learn about how to create animated videos, that too cartoon videos using Canva. In this stream, we'll be diving deep into the awesome world of animated videos using Canva, that graphic design powerhouse that's making pro level visuals accessible to everyone. So I will be showing you how to create stunning animated videos from scratch, and also that too using Canva's crazy easy tools and templates. Whether you're a total newbie or a design ninja, you'll walk away with hacks for making eye-catching animated videos for your business, social, as well as for personal project. Let us start without wasting our time. And first of all, I'm going to show you an animated video. So let us see that how this works out. So you can see how this is wonderfully created. Yes. So you can create stories, you can create your visuals for your business or else for your personal use, social media, all those things you can use this kind of animated videos. Now I'll close this, I'll get back to a new template. Yes, I have added a new template. First of all, I would like to tell you there are 3 different kinds of creating such videos. Let us see the first one. First, take a blank video template, go to elements and choose for one of the sceneries or whatever you want, where you want to create, how you want to create. It's all up to you. So first one, you need to choose a background. Let us choose one very simple one. Let me check. Yeah, I'll use simple this one. So I'm going to make it fit to the screen. So this is so simple, I think. Yeah, this is made fit to the screen. Now I'm going to elements and I am going to search for walking. Click that walking, and here again you can add for animated. Now you'll get animated walking people. Now you can see here whichever you want you can use this. Let me go for an animated walking person. I'm still not getting it. Let me check here. Yeah, I've got here. Wonderful. Now let me choose something very good. I'm not going to choose the same thing which you have seen in the video. I'm going to choose a new one. I've chosen a lady and she is walking. Only thing is we need to resize as per the size of the image, right? So I'm going to resize the image and fix it here. In case if I want, I can fix it here also. And now the part which is missing here is this lady is walking, but she is not moving from one place to another. So how to go about it? We are going to click the image, that is animated image, and go to animate, and you have an option which is called as custom animation. That is, you can create the animation path also. That I'm going to click. Done. Now I'm going to click the lady, that is the image, and I'm going to make her move till the end of the screen. She is moving. That is, I'm just creating a path for her custom animation. See, you can see here. Now there are options available. You can increase the speed of the lady. Yes, I'm increasing it. You can also choose the movement styles, that is whether it is original, whether it is smooth, whether it is, see, smooth one is, it is not looking like walking, it's like skating. Now let me go for steady. That means steady walk. Yeah, this is what I wanted. And I can, in case if you want, I can, now I'll show you how you can change the speed. Now see here. It's not looking good, right? Now this is the medium one, and here you go. This is wonderful, and you have to click on done. Now let us see the preview of this clip. I am going to show the preview. Now it is coming from the beginning. Let us go to the, yeah, one which we have created right now. Now let us see how this lady, yeah, so beautiful, very nicely done. This is one style of creating it. Okay, now let us go for another style. I'll click on add page. Again a new template is taken. Again I'm going to choose one background. Now let me go to the background. I'll search for road, something, anything, like I can go for a graphics, and I have so many coming up here. You can choose whichever you want, which seems to be wonderful for your creation. Yes, now I'll go and choose this one. I have chosen this one. Now what I'm going to do is I have to fix this. Okay, so what you can do actually is you need to enlarge the picture. Image should be enlarged. Okay, now I'm going to fix it, and I'm going to, I think this picture won't work because it is a simple square. Let me go for a rectangle image so that it fits easily on my design. Okay, let us go for a better one. Yeah, this one I'm going to make it fit for the corners. Done. Now here again. Now what we are supposed to do, now in the previous animation we actually did the animation for the image which we have added. Now in this we are going to do the animation with the image which we have done. Okay, now we are going to add again another animated running. Let's see, something new comes up. Running image. Yeah, we have got wonderful, like, but still I'll go for a better one because all these things are, you know, it is not animated. Some are animated, some are not. This is not animated, this is animated. So I need to, like, let me go for girl, animated girl. Let's see what comes up. These are all exercising ladies. I'll go for a walking. Reason is we'll get running also there. Let us check. Walking. Yeah, the best one which I want to choose, it is not yet available. I'll go with this person. Yes, I'll go with this person. Maybe I can flip this to the other side, horizontal. Yeah. Now I'm going to make it as per the size. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is enlarging the image. So I'm going to minimize the size. Now I'm going to enlarge this into a very bigger size. Done. Now again I need to resize. I think still I'm not liking this image. Now walking girl, simple. Let us check. Here it is. Here we have wonderful people coming up. So I can choose anyone which is prominent and visible to you so that you'll be like, I'll go with this lady. Now I can again flip and flip horizontal. I'm keeping it to resize, and I have done the resizing part also, little bit bigger. I can do that. Now I'm going to click on the image, not the image, background image. I have clicked on the background image. Now I'm going to choose animate. Again, the create an animation part is there. I'm going to create an animation for this image. What I'm going to do is, I am going to actually drag the image to the left hand side. See, you can see here how I am dragging it. Done. Done. Now the path is done. We need to choose the steady part. Yes. And then we need to choose a little bit speed of the thing. Yeah, done. Now let us check how this looks. See, you can see the animated image, that is the lady is still standing and walking. But it seems to us, let us see in the bigger picture also, because again we need to see everything. But then, yeah, I'll go to the preview and I'm going to the end of the part where, yeah, you can see this lady, how this lady is walking so sweetly. Right. Now this is the second part. The first one, we actually animated the image we added. Okay. The second part, that is the second type of video, we actually created an animated path for the background image. Now what we are going to do is, we are just going to make some simple settlement in the page 1 and page 2, and then we will do some transition magic in between to show that this image is totally animated. For that, again, I'm going to click and add a page. There again I need I'll select from the here only, because then again we need to search here. So what I'm going to do is, I'll go for a vehicle this time. Bike. Biker. Yeah. Animated biker. Animated biker. This is not animated. This is also not animated person riding a bike. We'll go for that simple one. Here it is. Now we are going to add this boy here. Now I'll make a little bit bigger in size. Okay, so that will be very clearly visible. Now I'm going to reduce this size. I want a background image now. Now let me check what background. A road with building. Let us check, because that is going to work very nicely. Here again I'm going to choose the graphic. I have seen this. Let me check a best one. Yes, I have got one. But then this is a small picture which will not come when we enlarge it in a proper way. So we are again using another picture. I'm searching a better picture for you to show, because everything should be clearly visible, right? For that, I think this should work. Let us see. I'm going to make it bigger. You can set, it is not setting. Now I need to make the layer, send backward. Now the cycle person has come in the beginning. Now I need to minimize the cycle, because there are cars which is of this person's size. Okay, so I'm going to a bit I am going to increase the size of it. Now what I'm going to do is, I need to actually duplicate this complete page. Okay, I have to duplicate the page. Yeah, right click and go for duplication. Now I have done that. Now here what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to make the image bigger. Again I'm going to make the image from the left hand side. I'm going to make the image a bigger one. Done. Now I will click the person, the image which we added, animated image added. I'm going to place it at the end, and I'm going to make him a bigger size. You'll see how this works, right? This is it. Now the images are created. Now only thing is you need to go for the add transition part between two videos. There is an option called add transition. You can see my cursor. Just click on it and you have plenty of options available. We are going to choose the match and move option, and I'm going to make it the full size. Now here I need to make the duration is 7.2. I need to make it less because it will look like real now. 1 second. Done. The second one is also I am going to make it into 1. I'm reducing it. So 1. Done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to see the preview. Again the preview is going to be from the beginning. I'm going to go to the end. Now the lady is going. The next image you can see here. You can see how this is done. Wonderfully done, I think. So this is how you can, it's all upon your own imagination and creativity. You can create wonderful animated videos, and on top of it, the more you choose the cartoon funny characters, the more real it will look like, and you can narrate a story, complete story, with the help of this kind of animation. So this is all from my desk today. I hope you did learn something new today, and I wish you join me for the Canva series 4 in the next week also. So done. So once again I'm going to show the complete preview from the beginning. See the first one which I showed you, right? This is created already by me and stored here. Yes. Now we are going to see the next one where the background image was animated. Okay. Now the third one with the help of only match and move. Now this is we created now, just now. Both the ways it is looking very good. You can move the image also. Now the magic match and move transition, which has given a wonderful output. So once again, stay happy, and signing off, Aruna, Suresh. So